Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buying Shit That I Don't Need. This time brought to you by Bad Spending Habits. So here we have another big, huge box of stuff that has been gathering over time in my private warehouse at HLJ. And let's crack it open. So first up, we got some decals here. These are some new Gundam decals and some other decals. Let's see. Bandai Blue Destiny, 1/44 scale multi-use. Gundam The Origin multi-use. I think that's for the WAF, the Bugu, the Mobile Worker, and Black TriStar Zaku. The Gym Sniper 2, Gym Command, Master Grade decals here. And then these are some HIQ parts, some new decals from HIQ. Some just cool logos there, and then just some letters here. These are meant to just like be generic, but you can see they definitely put some like letter combinations in here on purpose, like WB, I'm sure is obviously for white base, FA for full armor, GM, obviously GM, K9 on there, MP, more TR ones there, TR, white base. So there's ones that I think they were probably definitely expecting people to use on Gundam kits. You can see there's even some TriStar like logos there. We got this box, which I'm actually looking at, and like I wasn't sure what it was at first, and then I remembered what it is. So let's take a look at this briefly, because then I think I won't bother doing a separate video for this. We'll take a look at it in this video now. This is a set of gashapon balls. So I think there's 10 in here. I think it says, yep, 10 pieces. And what we have in here, let's pop one open. It is the Mr. Color Danboard series. There you go. This is series 3, so they're like metallic colors, but they're just these small little Danboard guys. You can see this one is Mr. Color number 76, metallic blue. So they're all like this. There's 10 of them. These I got because I think these will make just little cool mini Danboards just to paint up. I don't plan on leaving them like this. I do plan on painting them, so I'll like sand them a little bit and then just use these for just little fun things to paint, sort of like the 1/35 scale Gacha Nen ma.k kits. So got a box of this. I think that was like, it was around like $20 or something for a box of 10, so like $2 each. Very nice. Got the Powered Arms Mecha We Go set. This has been out for a little while, but I didn't bother buying it right away. I figured I'd buy it eventually. It was on sale. This one I think was also about $20 or something like that. So picked up a set of these. It's just the same Mecha We Go, but they have these big, powerful arms on there instead. So this is the purple and pink version. I think there's another color version as well of these. But anyway, new Mecha We Go. Got one of these folders, and this is just a special deal that Hobby Link Japan is doing now. If you buy something during this time, they're sending out these folders. So, okay. Got the new ma.k Fireball SG and SG Prowler set here. I'm actually quite excited to take a look at this one. They're molded in metallic. That's interesting. Got my first time trying a Next Edge figure. I finally decided to break down and give them a try. What I'm going to do is try detailing these up. This one, because it's black, I'm not really going to be able to do much. Well, it's not black. It's very dark blue. But I'm going to try detailing this up, similar to what I've done with Converge figures in the past, and we'll see if that makes me like it anymore. I do, yeah, might, if it goes well, I might plan on getting a couple more in the future, but we'll see. I'll do a separate video just kind of doing some unboxing and review of this in the near future. And speaking of Converge, we got some new Converge stuff. Converge number 20, the Queen Mantha, however you want to pronounce that. So we'll take a look at that, as well as the EX21, which is the full armor double Zeta. Boxes are quite different in their size, so that'll give you an idea of just how big the Queen Mantha is going to be. So that should be pretty cool. And then, of course, we have Converge series number 10 in here. So this is the Gun Tank, the Shining Gundam, the Epion. It's kind of hard to see back there, the Gaymalk, and the Gaz L and Gaz R. Those are there, so those are really cool. I really am looking forward to checking out that Gaymalk. This is another one that was on sale. This was in Hobby Link Japan's recent kind of bargain bin sale that they were doing. This is the Cobalt RE frame arms kit. It's a really cool frame arms kit. It's very unique kind of looking in its design. And then Frame Arms Girls. We have the Frame Arms Girls by Who. This is based on the Frame Arms kit. I was wondering if they have a picture of the original kit anyway, but the kit that this is based off of is a really cool looking kit, but I really didn't quite like its huge chin, which you can see predominantly featured on here. But the nice thing that I like about this Frame Arms kit is that you can have it just without the chin. You can have it just kind of like that, just like a helmet on there, minus that huge giant chin part on it. So this should be pretty cool. I think this does look like a nice frame arms girl as well, so we'll take a look at that. And the last thing here, probably the one that I'm going to regret the most, is another Sahelanthropus kit, but this is the black version of the Sahelanthropus. So the one that I have, which was highly requested when I did my room tour video, a lot of you guys asked to see a review of the Sahelanthropus. And HLJ had this on sale. It was like half price. The list price is like, what is it? It's really high. It's like 15,800 yen. So like 150 bucks, but it was on sale for 79. It's like 75 bucks. Very, very good price. So it was really hard to resist. Actually, the reason why I wanted to get two of these is because I want to do a painted build of this as a gift for a different YouTuber. So another YouTuber gift is my plans for one of these, so either the black version or the regular version. One I'll keep for myself, and then one I'll gift to another YouTuber later on down the line. But anyway, so this is, yeah, the black version Sahelanthropus. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. As always, let me know what you'd like to see sooner than later. I know the Sahelanthropus is high on the list, so I will try to get to that soon. Just need to make some time. It is a pretty big kit and a pretty complicated kit from what I've seen, so that will take some time to get that kit built and reviewed. But I know that it has been one that a lot of people have been waiting for, and it has been one that, of course, I've been waiting to check out as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.